I could go in and you guys should be tracking this. Under the tab, it says send or request money. You guys see that? Send or request money. I could open up that tab and I could request money, and it's gonna ask me, well, why? Is it because of damages, or is it because of extra cleaning, or is it because of extra services? And I would click the appropriate box. Does that make sense?
Yep. Okay. And then charge them on the back end for those nights that they had an extra person? Or
Yep. Yep.
okay. Yeah, might
The key thing though is to make sure that you acknowledge in the text thread there is an additional upcharge and that they're agreeing to pay for it. So after the fact, if they kind of get amnesia, you can point them back to the text thread where you guys talked about
Yep, yep.
it. Okay. All right. Good stuff. All right.